system. Good day everyone, my name is Dimple Sipargari together with my partner.
I'm Queenie Marie Dominique.
Today, we will be demonstrating the flow of our system which have a 13 function. The title of our system is Event Reservation. As you can see in the screen, there are 7 choices under the book event, which is the view event, book event, cancel reserve event, move reserve event, view book event status, admin, and exit. Okay, let's select the first choice, which is the view event. So these are the available event list, wedding, birthday party, and their ID, status, and price. Second, let's select the choice number 2, which is the book event. And the book event, you can enter your full name. Let's put an example here. Then you can enter the event name, your contact number, address, and date. And when you are done reserving an event, you can also view the book event status. And that's the result when you input the 5 choice. There have a lots of record as you can see in the tab of book event. So when you are done, you can also view the book event status. Just input 5 choice. So there have a lots of record as you can see in the tab of book events. So when you are done, you can also move your reserve event. Just input the ID of that event and try to enter the event ID to reschedule and enter the new date. And also the address. And done. Finally, you are now moved the reserve event. As you can see, the date and address is changing. Then you can also input the number 3, which is the cancel reserve event. In the cancel reserve event, you can choose the event ID that you want to cancel. Okay, let's have an example here. Let's choose the 284 ID. And finally, the event are canceled. Okay, we are done by reserving an event. Let's go in another choices. Let's input the number 6, which is the admin. They have a login and register. So when you have an account, you can directly choose the login choice. But if you don't have an account in this system, just input the choice number 2, which is the register. So, okay, let's input the number 2, which is the register. As you can see, the register have an admin full name. Just input your full name, admin email, and your password. So when you are done, just use the new account that you created. Okay, let's input your email. So when you are done, login successful. So just select choice number 1. If you are done, you can enter your event name, enter event status, and event price. And also, if you are done, the event or the add event that you are added, it's successfully added in the all event list. And also, you can update the event. Just input the 4 choice and enter the ID you want to edit. Okay, let's have an example. 1002. Enter new event name, which is you can input whatever you want the event that, and enter new event status and enter new event price. So the event updated successfully. Okay, let's input the three choices, which is the delete event. You can enter an ID to delete, and it successfully deleted the event. Okay, you can choose the 5 just input, and you can see the admin dashboards, and when you are done, just input the exit and you are done. And thank you for listening.